sunny Wales, we're gonna make some wicked tacos on the woody ovens in this glorious setting. So let's get started. We're gonna make a salsa in the oven. Got lovely tomatoes, bung them in a cast iron, really simple. Onion, pepper, 2 chilies, and some garlic. Just a bit of olive oil, get them nice and moist. Pinch of salt, and then straight into the oven. So we're gonna make some fresh corn tortillas. They're really easy to make. All it is masa, harina, water, gobs of good un, until it feels like Play-Doh, and then you're in for a winner. Once it's crumbly like that, just add a bit of salt. Just gonna pop all the veg in a bowl, let it cool down a minute. Now we're gonna make some corn tortillas with my tortilla press. Got our masa dough, just gonna ball it up into about 40-gram portions. So all you gotta do is roll them up into a ball. It's really simple. Pop them in your tortilla press. Another bit of parchment or plastic on top. Pop it down. Give it a turn. There is your tortilla. Into a nice hot cast iron pan. And then straight back into the oven. In for about 30 seconds, give it a flip. In for another 30 seconds, flip it again. Once your tortilla's cooked, we're gonna place it in a nice tea towel, covered, to let it steam and cook all the way through. So now that our tortillas are done, we've got our salsa that's nice and cool, so we can peel off all the skins of all the vegetables and get that nice chopped up, nice and coarsely, so we've got a nice bit of bite in our tacos. So we've got all our ingredients for our salsa. We're just gonna pop them on a board. We're in the arse end of nowhere, with no power, so a knife, a chopping board is all we need. Proper off the grid cooking, no electric whatsoever. We've got some salt and pepper. I'm just gonna liberally season over the top and try and get it in the tomatoes and not on the hill. A little dash of red wine vinegar, incorporate it all together and just give it one last chop and into a bowl it goes. Who said dough scrapers were just for dough? Nice good squeeze of lime and another for good measure. And a little glug of olive oil. Give it a mix, give it a taste. That's good. That's our hand-chopped salsa. So we've got a lovely bit of skirt steak here. It's perfect for tacos, lovely and tender. All we're gonna do with it is a bit of oil, salt and pepper, straight into the steaming hot cast iron, get a nice char either side, slice it into the tacos, jobs are good un. With a skirt steak, the muscle fibres tend to run widthways as opposed to lengthways. So you want to cut it against the grain. So if the lines are going, follow my knife like that, we want to cut it like that. So it makes it for a more tender bite. Look how good cooking a steak in a pizza oven is. It's bloody brilliant. We've got our tortillas that we made earlier. Just going to pop these on a plate. We're going to add our skirt steak, and then we've got our hand-chopped salsa, squeeze of lime. We've got ourselves some fresh coriander straight from my nan's garden. Just going to chop an extra bit of chilli. We're going to put some sprouts on top. And there you have an amazing taco cooked with absolutely no electricity in the beautiful Welsh countryside with the woody oven. It's Scotty Wibbly Wobbly.